Okay, and here we are. I will have to piece these together. My goodness. This is my new start for 2025. And I really could use something to cheer me up, let me tell you. So, I'm sick and still need to be in bed, so, yeah, stitching works. Look at that. That is just, oh my goodness, it screams American Eskimo, but that is what winter snow looked like when she was a baby. For the most part. I will try to insert one of her baby pictures, but I'm not very good at editing because it's been so long. This is an 11 count, so it's much, I can see it without glasses, which is very, very nice. Very nice. And the pattern is on the same kind of paper. It's got that shiny back. And look at, you can see the puppy in the pattern, which is just wonderful. It has 36 colors. I love the printing on this. It's just so easy to see. My goodness. So easy. And because I tried to film this twice yesterday, I've seen the canvas, and I cannot wait for you to see how clearly this is printed. I'm so sorry for smacking that. You are going to just love how beautifully clear it's printed. But we have a similar toolkit, okay? It's got the same components, but these needles are different. They are longer. I'm not a really big fan of the longer needles, and these are gold-dyed, which I happen to like, but we'll see how those go. If they're too long for what I need to do, I will switch it out for a shorter needle. And there we go, the same wonderful threader and that ring thimble, so to speak. Okay. Now here is the beautiful cloth, the printed cloth that I keep calling a canvas. I'm so sorry for that. Look at how clearly you can see the puppy and the ball of yarn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And look how clear the printing is. Whichever company prints this, I am really impressed with what they're doing. Now, this is a 39 by 39 centimeter. And I don't know if that's the size of the cloth or the size of the image, because I can't find my tape measure right now. But these both are serged all the way around. So I really, really like that. So I'm quite happy with it. They're a little stiff, but nothing that you couldn't work with if you want to work in hand. So this is going on the frame today. I emptied my pattern off my piece off the frame so I can work on this. So this is our background color. I believe that's 3865 from the look of it. Oh, 3756. Nope, that's not it. That's the mint green. Sorry. I am trying to get to it as we speak. Let me see. Come on. Let me in. Yes, 3865 is our background color. So it's this slightly greenish white. And when it's up against everything else, it reads very white. We have this soft mint green. Look at the bright colors in this. My goodness. There are some pastel colors and some very bright. This very pale buttery yellow. I can't wait to see where this goes. But all these purples, the turquoise, the red, the bright pink, a little tiny bit of orange, which I'm sure is in the yarn. We've got a little blue, some green. Oh, I wish that these were easier to show you the threads, but I really like this very, very much because it's going to make it so much easier for me to stitch. Now, I want to thank you all for joining me. I'm only reviewing these two today because, well, I'm just trying to get back to doing things and I'm not used to it. So, please forgive me. All the scratches, that's puppies. That's the little gremlins getting mommy when they want to play and love. So, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the video, please leave me a like. It lets me know that, you know, you're glad to have me back and that I should be filming. I do have a question for you all. Would you like for my stitching or my art, my original art, to be on a separate channel, or just keep everything in one so that it's easier for you all to watch? It is up to all of you what I'm going to do there. I'm so glad for those of you that have returned, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much. I do have a new subscriber I saw. Thank you so much for joining. I'm glad to see everybody come and see me again. You will definitely be seeing me. I'm not giving up again at this point. And as you see, I have my Esky Mom cup, my favorite coffee cup, filled with my coffee. God bless you all, and I hope that you have an absolutely wonderful day and wonderful week, and I will see you again very, very soon. We will do a stitch with me working on the puppy. God bless. Bye.